How to control the display range of grids in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by grid settings. In grid settings there is one option called as Display Grid Beyond Limits. By default this option is enabled, which display the grids beyond the value which is set in Limits command. When this option is unchecked, then grids are displayed according to value set in Limits commands. See how it works. Here you can see that grids are displayed in whole drawing. Now go to Grid Settings. You can see Display Grid Beyond Limits option is checked. Uncheck it. Zoom the drawing and see grids are displayed according to by default limits value. Run limits command. Press enter for lower limits value 0,0. Change the upper limits value example to 1000, 1000. Now go to Grid Settings. Uncheck Display Grid Beyond Limits option. Zoom the drawing and see grids are displayed according to new assigned limits value. Run again limits command. Specify any lower and upper limits values through cursor in drawing. Now go to Grid Settings. Uncheck Display Grid Beyond Limits option. You can see that the grids are displayed according to new assigned limits value. Now go to Grid Settings. Now check again Display Grid Beyond Limits option. Now you can see that grids are displayed in whole drawing.